Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel are in Dublin. Today we do unboxing, very short unboxing. I bought new remote controller to GoPro. Oops, that's the new remote controller. I got one before, but it's disappeared. I don't know, probably I lost somewhere. But it's something what I really using. I really like and help me a lot. Mostly if you need to record something from the top of your car or from far, you just can use remote controller. I know you can use your phone or your iPad to GoPro, but I know the battery everywhere are not so strong, and when I'm using my phone with the GoPro, after like 20 minutes my phone is dead, my GoPro is dead, and I'm without phone and without GoPro. I prefer to have a remote controller and using just remote controller and don't use any other device. It's the same with the selfie sticks. I prefer this one with the cable where you just connect it with the phone and you pressing the box or buttons, not really this remote Wi-Fi, wireless, whatever, because you need to charge everything. And you realize probably when you're going somewhere for holiday or for short trip, have your bag is the cables, chargers and extensions, what it's really not nice. Every time when I'm driving somewhere, I have like one big bag of the chargers and cables, and just toothbrush and maybe some underwear. That means whole my bag is full of electronic device. With this I have a just controller for everything, and my phone have a full battery for all day, and I don't need to care about this anymore. Why? That's the main reason why I bought the remote controller. Now I do short unboxing and I show you how it looks inside. That's GoPro remote controller. Just this one is little too long for me, but I have a shorter at home. I will change this later. But I'm using this as a watch, what is very comfortable. It's waterproof, stuff like that. And you have just the same option and mode what you have on your GoPro. That means this screen show you the same what on the front of the GoPro. It's very easy. You just picking whatever you like, photo, video, start, stop, all option, everything's go from here. Very easy, very nice. That's the charger go as a key. How you can see the key go here, and if you want to open, you need to unlock here like that. Hop, done. And also I have a small key. This is for, you know, if you have a bracelet or you have something, you can use here like that. It's working fine as well, but I prefer have this on my hand as a watch because working for me better. I love it, and I just want to use this right now. I will connect this to make sure the battery is full, because it's just the last level, and I start connect with my all the GoPros to make sure it's working. Small nice box as always. I will keep this to make sure everything is fine, just in case if something will not working. That's here key as well. That's it guys, that's the GoPro remote controller. Looks like nice watch. Hope you like it as well. If you have any question, please add below and I will answer if I know the answer for this question. I highly recommend, work for me for a long time really well. Very good stuff. Thank you very much for watching me today. Have a great day. Thank you.